आवाज वही, रफ्तार नहीं।
It's a more relevant time for the film to release, because everybody understands the power of what the environment is, power of what nature is, and importance that we need to protect nature. And answering your second question in terms of pressure, uh, I'm this is because I've been seeing the Telugu industry open, the Tamil industry open, the every industry that's opening, and it's very clear that people want to watch cinema that is giving them a new experience. You don't want to really watch what is old. You want new things. And why I'm very excited about this film more is this has been made for a cinematic pleasure. It has been made. If you're sitting in a theater, you will really feel like you're sitting in the middle of a jungle.
एक एक्टर के तौर पे इस फिल्म ने आपको क्या मतलब अलग एक्सप्लोर करने का मौका दिया जो आपको अपील किया?
This film has given me everything that is new. First, I had to unlearn what I had learned in the past. For about good 2.5 months, I had no phone. There's only phone signal for 1 hour. So one is it changes our lifestyle, right? It changes how you are thinking. It's only the set, it's only the elephants, it's only the jungle that you're reacting to, and not so much human beings. So it's yes, definitely a very fulfilling and a very enriching experience for me.
एलिफेंट है उन्नी कृष्णन, उसके साथ कैसा था? बॉन्डिंग कैसी रही आपकी? कितना टफ था एक एनिमल के
Uh,
साथ शूट करना?
so Unni was obviously the most trained elephant out of all. And Unni has done many films. We had to shift our dates because Unni's dates were not available. But Unni, Pulkit, and Vishnu, I think, formed this extremely beautiful bond where from day one, where you're touching it, washing it, to slowly trying to climb on it, to the third or fourth day, Pulkit started eating lunch and drinking coffee on top of the elephant only. He was so comfortable. He used to give it a banana. He used to be eating a banana. So I think Uni is probably the best co-star all of us had, or the elephants were really the best co-stars all of us had in terms of what we learned from them.
अपना वजन भी कम किया 30 किलो, उसका क्या प्रोसेस था? मतलब आपको एक अपने फिजिक के लिए आप जाने जाते हो, तो कितना था एक एक्टर के बाद?
So first मैम जब ये फिल्म के लिए मुझे अप्रोच किया गया, I just finished Bahubali by then, so obviously I was a much bigger human being. And Prabhu Solomon did the look test, and he said, no, this is not how a jungle person should look. He has to look very different. He has to be lean. He has to. So we spent about 6-7 months not only prepping. So I had a beard that grew till here, and I had hair that was all over the place, and I was walking around the city. But we went to Thailand, and that's when we did the final look before walking into the jungle.
ये आपके थर्ड मल्टी लैंग्वेज मतलब फिल्म है, तो आपको लगता है कि जो साउथ और मतलब हिंदी फिल्मों की दूरियां मिट गई, या फिर एक ट्रेंड है? आपको लगता है ट्रेंड है फिर खत्म हो जाएगा, आपको क्या लगता है? या फिर ये सिनेमा का कोई बैरियर नहीं रहा?
I think it's a very good thing that's happening, because always we have been divided by state and boundary, saying I live in Andhra, you live in Telangana, you live in Kerala, you live in Punjab, right? But once you start becoming an artist, and once you start appreciating art, it doesn't matter where it comes from, as long as it's an Indian art form. And I think somewhere Bahubali and the other films that I've done have kind of set a certain precedent where you can make one good film and all India will watch you. So I think this opportunity, that whether you're in Punjab and make a film, whether you're in Madurai and make a film, if the film is good, you have an entire Indian audience that will wake up to it.
पर्सनली कितना मतलब एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कि आप कितना कंसर्न रहते हैं, कितना आपको ध्यान रहता है, मतलब कितना आपको लगता है कि जरूरी मुद्दा है आप खुद इस पे?
One is, I think at a personal level, I think all of us have become more aware in the last 5-6 years about how to keep environment, how not to use biodegradable stuff. You need to make sure that you need to use the right things, work on the right stuff, and conserving energy, moving into solar. So there's, as much as I can take an activity, whether it's on a set, whether it's in my office, whether it's in my home, we try to do it. And I think, but the biggest thing of them all is, as a filmmaker, I think I have a tool to tell a great story and to be able to inspire people to do, for many more people to do so. So yes, I think this is also a part of my environment job,
समाज में सोच बदलती है, आपको लगता है फिल्मों में इतना पावर है?
that you get as a story, you will always remember. If you are told as a class book, you will never hear it. So I think cinema is a tool that can entertain, that can educate, and that can inspire. So I think Hathi has ticked all three boxes in terms of entertaining people. Whether you're 8 years old or 80 years old, you like elephants, you like a jungle, and you like emotions going on between man and animal.
हाथी मेरे साथी को OTT पे रिलीज करने की भी तैयारी है आप लोग की?
100%. I'm sure after the release we will. But one is the film has been ready for 8 months, and I'm happy that he's decided not to go to any OTT direct. So it's a film that's made in multiple languages. It's the best that can be on the internet.
ये OTT की जो बूम उसको आप किस तरह से देखते हैं? आपको लगता है कि ये थिएटर्स को रिप्लेस कर सकता है in future?
All new entertainment mediums are different mediums. Agar aap see, like, I'll tell you an example. Me as I'm first a film lover before being anything, right? I like to go to the theater to watch big experiences. I want to watch adventure. I want to watch scale. I want to feel like I'm somewhere else. That's the thing that I want to watch in a theater. Now, if you're in an OTT, you have a different experience with your content. It doesn't have to be 3 hours long. It can be 30 hours long, and I'll still watch it. So I think what we watch on our phone, now if there's a big jungle or a Bahubali kind of film, my phone won't do the job. I don't want other people to come and talk to me. I want to see it on a big screen without disturbance, right? So I think as filmmakers, now we'll start bifurcating, saying, here you go, this is what we make for theater, this is what we make for OTT, this is what we make for TV. I think that bifurcation will slowly start coming because it's still the early round of OTT.
जो पैंडेमिक था उससे आपने क्या एक लेसन लिया, क्या आपकी सीख रही?
One thing I understood the pandemic, that time is in your control. Time is not in anybody else's control. So whatever you do, you have to do it correctly, with lovingly, and at the same time, there's no pressure to do anything. You have to do it at a level that's comfortable to you and a level that's very enjoyable to you every day of your life that you live.
शादी हो गई है, कितनी फैन फॉलोइंग लड़कियों की कम हो गई है, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है अभी, मतलब शादी के बाद कितनी जिंदगी?
One is, marriage is a good thing when you're ready for it. So I think I have lived my life well enough, and I was finally happy to be married and feel settled and content. So it's changed my life very much, where I'm much more organized, much more balanced than the crazy energy that I used to have.
फीमेल फैन, मतलब फैन फॉलोइंग क्या कहेंगे अपनी जो फीमेल फैन है?
Well, I hope it hasn't changed. I'm hoping that they still like me. I mean, I'm making films for them.
Okay, thank you so much. Best of luck.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye-bye.
प्रभात खबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं.